Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OUKITEL RT8 and I want to show you how set mobile data limits on this device. To do that, open settings application where we choose our first function and there mobile network, my bad, where we tap on data warming and limit, and as you can see now we can firstly set hours when our size start, maybe first day of each month. There we can set data warming and we can custom number of that, maybe 10 gigabytes, megabytes, what you need. Maybe we set 5 gigabytes, and there by the switch we must turn on data limits, confirm by OK, and we can set it in the same style as warming. Maybe we set 10 gigabytes. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.